In this video, I'm gonna show you how to toggle the touchpad on MSI Stealth. There are two ways of doing that, and if you turn it off with the first method, then you cannot turn it on with the second one, and also with the second method you can turn it on with the first one. So let's start with the first one, which is pressing on the F4 key. As I press on it, now my touchpad does not work. You can see my cursor does not move. If this didn't turn off your touchpad, you should press on FN and the F4 key at the same time. It depends, sometimes one of them one method works, sometimes the other one. Now I'm gonna turn my touchpad on again, and then we can go to the settings to do the second method. They don't work interchangeably, so if your touchpad is turned off and with the first method you cannot turn it on, then it'll be in Bluetooth and devices, in settings, then touchpad, and here you can turn it off. And now I'm gonna close that with Alt F4 on my keyboard and show you how to turn the touchpad back on using the keyboard if you don't have the external mouse. So you can click on the Windows button, then start typing in settings, and when it's at the very top you can click on enter, then click on tab until you're pointing on home. If you go too far you can click on shift tab to go back. So once you're on home, go to Bluetooth and devices, space, then click on tab until you're on devices, space, let's go back. So I'm just gonna go to shift tab until I'm pointing on Bluetooth and devices, space. Then I'm gonna point on devices and use arrows to go down to the touchpad, then space and space again. And now the touchpad should be working. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.